Your structure is solid, and I've fine-tuned it to align perfectly with your requested style and tone. Here's your finalized text with minor enhancements for engagement and clarity. Title: How to Land Your Dream Job in Canada. Step-by-step guide for success in 2024 and beyond. Welcome message. Welcome to Synergy Nexus Innovations, the holding company of Canada's Smart Mind. We're thrilled to have you here. This video is packed with planning, organization, and fresh ideas to help you secure a job in Canada. Let's dive in. Menu of 3 points. 1. How to search for a job in British Columbia, Canada. British Columbia, BC is one of Canada's most vibrant provinces, home to cities like Vancouver and Victoria. Vancouver, for instance, has a population of around 2.5 million people and is known for its booming tech industry, film production, and natural resource sectors. Here's how to search for a job in BC. Step 1. Identify your skills and match them to industries like tech, healthcare, or tourism. Step 2. Use job boards like WorkBC, Indeed, and LinkedIn to find openings. Step 3. Network. Attend job fairs, join local professional groups, and connect with people on LinkedIn. Step 4. Research companies in BC that align with your career goals. Step 5. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each application. 2. 3 examples of finding a work opening position. Tech industry in Vancouver. Vancouver is often called the Silicon Valley of the North. Companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and local startups are always hiring for roles in software development, data analysis, and IT support. Healthcare in Victoria. With an aging population, healthcare jobs are in high demand. Look for openings in hospitals, clinics, and long-term care facilities for roles like nurses, medical technicians, and administrative staff. Tourism in Whistler. Whistler, a world-famous ski resort, offers seasonal jobs in hospitality, retail, and outdoor activities. It's a great way to gain Canadian work experience while enjoying the mountains. Do's and don'ts of a cover letter and resume. Do's. Tailor your resume and cover letter to each job. Use action verbs like managed, developed, and achieved. Keep your resume concise, 1 to 2 pages, and error-free. Highlight your achievements and quantify them, e.g., increased sales by 20 cents. Don'ts. Don't use a generic cover letter for every job. Avoid including irrelevant work experience. Don't use unprofessional email addresses. Never lie or exaggerate your skills. Exploring urban job opportunities in Canada. This video is in English, making it a great time to practice your pronunciation and improve your language skills. Let's explore job opportunities in large urban areas like Vancouver, BC. Vancouver is a bustling city with a population of over 2.5 million people. It's a hub for tech, film, and tourism, offering diverse job opportunities. The city's economy thrives on innovation, making it a great place to build a future-focused career. Sponsor mention, we're here to help. If you're looking for affordable daily courses in English and French, or need guidance in job searching, check out the link below to Canada's Smart Mind School. For just $20 a day, you can access flexible courses tailored to your lifestyle. Don't wait for a miracle. Take action today. Now let's get back to the video. 1. How to write a resume and cover letter. Resume. Start with your contact information, followed by a summary of your skills and experience. List your work history in reverse chronological order and include education and certifications. Cover letter. Address the hiring manager by name, introduce yourself, and explain why you're a great fit for the role. End with a call to action like requesting an interview. And 2. Example of a cover letter template. Your name, your address, city, province, postal code, email address, phone number, date, hiring manager's name, company address, city, province, dear hiring manager's name. I am excited to apply for the job title position at company name. With my experience in your field and a proven track record of specific achievement, I am confident I can contribute to your team. In my previous role at previous company, I describe a relevant achievement. I am particularly drawn to company name because of reason related to company values or projects. I would love the opportunity to discuss how my skills align with your needs. Thank you for considering my application. Sincerely. 5. Main points to get the attention of the interviewer. Research the company. Show you've done your homework by mentioning specific projects or values. Be confident. Speak clearly and maintain eye contact. Ask questions. Show genuine interest by asking about the team, company culture, or future projects. Example: I noticed your company recently launched Project Name. Can you tell me more about how this project aligns with your long-term goals? Closing remarks. Should any questions arise, I encourage you to reach out via our comments section. If this content resonates with you and you know someone who could benefit from it, please share this video with them. Be very welcome here. We're going to teach you! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us create more content tailored to your needs. Let's build your future together. Sponsor links, find the links to Canada Smart Mind School below the video. Take the first step toward your dream job today. Now let's see the last part of the video. This version keeps everything you requested while ensuring clarity, engagement, and motivation for viewers. Let me know if you want any more tweaks.